Hello, welcome to Exam Talentees. Now we will see management. We will see the management paper. In first topic, principles of government corporate governance. They ask an evaluation of management theories. They ask on that question. So always in every video, I told you all of you that for UGC NET management, you have to completely clear the concepts. Without clearing the concepts, it is difficult to understand and it is difficult to solve the questions. Actually, simple MCQs, if you are solving the simple direct MCQs, it will be not helpful for UGC NET management examinations. Now we will see chapter 2. Chapter 2 will be asked organizational behavior, an introduction to HRM. In this chapter, they ask the stages of group formation question and transaction analysis. In human resource management, they ask the question on comprehensive passage on compensation management. Now, in this passage, actually, they ask practical applications of the theory. They ask the questions on Big Bazaar, means when we read something about the topics in HRM or marketing, so we have to apply daily in our practical life. So they ask the question on practical life. So this question is again based on concept, and in HRM again balance scorecard is a you all of you know balance scorecard, career planning and growth, settlement of industrial dispute, Trade Union Act. In every NT UGC NET management examination, one thing is that they always focus on marketing, human resource management and strategic management. All these are the broad chapters for UGC to ask the comprehension passage type questions, to ask the statement based questions. So these are the topics in which they ask the broader questions. And in financial management, they ask ratio analysis and accounting standards, concept of business entity and pecking order theory. And in financial management, risk return analysis, credit policy, divergence, IRR and NPV, inventory management and inflation rates, etc. Now in strategic management, again they are generic strategies and retrenchment strategy, disruptive innovation, unsolved matrix, 4 P's of marketing and cost plus pricing, market segmentation, target marketing. These are the important strategic management. Last is the marketing, and now the marketing. In marketing, they ask comprehension passage, process of customer buying decision, and statistics and probability, properties of mean. Again, all this all in the statistics and probability, production management, operational research, all the questions based on previous year only. No one question is new in this statistic and probability and production management. All the questions are based on previous year question paper only. And international business, information technology. In information technology, they ask examples of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence also, this question also repeated number of times in PYQs. And in international business, level of economy integration, paradox, documents for exporting, period of foreign trade policies, Doha round, Urgency round, Bretton Woods conference. Now, if I recall, somewhat December 18 or June 18 question paper in June 18 or December 18 question paper, international business questions are repeated, I think so. And in entrepreneurship is the business plan feasibility, again repeated questions of PYQs. So I want to say that the conclusion of question paper is that most of the questions are conceptual and indirect. So application of conceptual knowledge is must. In every video I told a lot of time this thing. Without conceptual knowledge, no one can crack the paper of UGC NET management. So for everybody, conceptual knowledge is necessary to give the competitive examinations. And previous year is the important source of preparation. In the previous year question papers only, they ask the direct or indirect questions based on PY only. And time management, as the paper is lengthy, practice of mock test is very important for all the student, and it help us to manage the time in question paper and help in solving the lengthy paper in proper timing of examination. So based on this exam analysis, we try to provide and we can help for upcoming examinations. Our schedule is providing free notes on Telegram, free content on YouTube as per paper base on examination, PYQs with detailed explanation. In that detailed explanation, again we make the questions of statement based, assertion, reasoning, reading comprehension with PYQs questions and questions only. So full video courses for comprehensive coverage, and try to make computer based test series for next session. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.